And this is the table 2. So the objective would be, if you want to link this table 1 to this table 2, and you require gender on this table 1. So what we're going to do is, I created the table 3 here, which is just going to be name, age, gender, the gender you require from table 2, the name and age I took from table 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to say equals vlookup. Lookup value is the value that you want to look up. So we want to look up Jake. Table array, where we want to look up that value would be this. And remember to absolute those cells, otherwise it moves downwards. So I just press F4 and then it made that dollar signs to make sure if I drag it down later, the cells doesn't go with it. Column index, we require in this table, we require the second column to bring back, and we want an exact match. Before we don't say false, we don't want an appropriate approximate match. So there we have it. Jake is 31 and he's a male. There we can see he's a male. And if we drag this down, we see that Susan is a female. So what this does is it goes and checks for this cell. It goes to this cell. It looks up that value in this table. There it is, and it brings back the second column. And there you have it. Please also remember with the vlookup, your lookup value in the table where you make it, it must be in the most left-hand cell. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, so if these two columns were swapped, then it won't work. So you can't say bring back column 1 because it looks up in column 1. If you understand what I mean. Cool, and that's vlookup.